Good morning, Eastview. Welcome back to this Friday morning. Excited about our last day work day, and then Tuesday will be our play day. So for today, once you do the question of the day, you are going to finish your video game. The QOD deals with the Google form, which I'll show you in a second. Just a friendly reminder, the only way it gets graded, the only way it gets played is if it gets turned into the Google form. And then the final question is to just, your exit, you'll share how you're feeling about the game. So at the top, you'll notice the turn-in form is right up here. So when I click this, I can open it up, and everything we need is here. Super important, you're going to put your last name, and then your first name goes here. Click which period you're from. It asks confirmation that yes, you did activate your account. You went in and did the sharing of your game. Everything is here, how you verified your email, shared it. So if you didn't, just go back and watch it real quick and then share your game. It says I sent a link to a family member or friend. Make sure you did that, confirm it, because if they couldn't play it, I won't either, and I won't be able to grade it or play it, and no one else will get to play it either. So please do that, and then you paste your link right here, and then you are done. And I'll have a Eastview Arcade ready for you to go on Tuesday. So make sure you get those turned in today. I'm going to close the gradebook today, and I just appreciate all the hard work, and I will see you on Tuesday. Have a great 3-day weekend.